Hey guys,
Hello everybody.
welcome to our channel again.
Journey with the Jacksons.
Okay guys, so today we're going to be talking about some names Jamaicans give to body parts. But before we get into that, thank you guys for watching us. Thank you guys for supporting us. Thank you guys for always checking out our channel. Thank you for liking, sharing and comment. So I'm going to also ask you guys to like this video, comment on this video, and if you have not subscribed as yet, please subscribe. Cool?
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah. Alright, so let's get into this.
The meat of the matter.
Yeah.
So into the meat of the matter we go. So if you are abroad or if you're a foreigner or a tourist, I'm sure you would have heard these names before, and it doesn't matter which country you're from, or if you're just visiting Jamaica, or you've been in conversations with Jamaicans, then I'm sure you must have heard at least one of these names, right?
At least one.
Yeah. All right, so the first one is
Farrid. Okay, so Farrid, this is a name Jamaicans use instead of forehead.
So the correct word is forehead.
Right, so this section right here. So Jamaica, I don't know where it came from, but we like to say Farrid. My McCunkin are your Farrid.
My McCunkin is forehead.
Yeah, are your Farrid biggie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is your forehead. So you hear your forehead is your forehead.
Forehead.
In Jamaica.
We just cut it short or something.
Alright, yeah.
Cut short, you call that?
Well, forehead is not.
Like it's like you're saying forehead quickly. Forehead.
No,
Forehead.
no, it's actually forehead. It says not forehead.
Right.
Forehead.
Forehead.
Two different pronunciations. Yeah. But that's us.
Yeah.
And then we say, when we're referring to this part of the hand, what we say?
Hand middle.
No, hand middle is hand middle.
Hand middle.
Or hand miggle.
Hand
no,
miggle.
the correct thing is hand miggle. Hand miggle.
Hand miggle.
Yeah. So there's no D on the hand.
So it's replaced for G.
No,
And miggle.
No, it's not substituted for the G. In the hand, it's just the hand. It's just that the D is off, and then with the miggle, instead of middle, the two D's in the word middle is substituted by two G's. Yeah, so it's hand miggle.
Hand miggle.
Right. So someone was like, let me see your, a Jamaican would say, let me see your hand miggle.
Yeah.
So hand miggle is patois.
Yeah.
Right?
Straight patois.
Yeah.
Nothing but patois.
And then it's like, I think this is the one that my friend who's from St. Vincent, when I first said it, she laughed. She was like, Shauna, what are you talking about? And this is the foot bottom.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So the sole of your feet, we just say foot bottom. Say, hey, your foot bottom toughy, man.
Or my foot bottom hurt me.
Yeah.
But then my friend from St. Vincent would say the bottom foot.
The bottom foot.
Yes.
The bottom foot.
Or she said the middle hand.
Oh, middle. Oh, so it's like a back way talk. Which country?
I said St. Vincent, babe.
Oh, St. Vincent. I know who she's referring to.
Yeah, so girl, if you're watching this. Yes.
Lee?
Yeah. So you would say that this is the middle hand,
and
the
bottom foot.
But for
bottom
us,
foot.
It's the foot bottom, right?
Yeah.
What is this?
Nosehole.
Nosehole.
Nosehole. Not nostril. Not nostril for us when we are speaking in our dialect. Not nosehole.
No, it's nosehole, not nostril.
Alright, not nostril, but nosehole. So,
right.
so if you were saying it in English, it would be nosehole. No, but we don't do that. We just say nosehole. Nosehole. Your nosehole biggie.
Yeah. People always say that. Like
big.
Probably, you can't say that about mine.
No, your nosehole not big. My nosehole big.
I said, your nose so big. Oh my gosh, I'm sure a number of Jamaicans are familiar with other Jamaicans telling them
the
that.
nose was big.
Yes, so your nose
No,
so so your nose so big. Okay. Alright. And then this other one, what you call this? What's this?
Cheeks.
No. Well, yeah, your cheek, but you know what I mean. Your jawbone. Yeah. You have me thumping in your jawbone.
Yeah, jawbone.
You know, say your parents ever tell you that yet?
Yeah. Maybe. I don't remember.
No, alright. Maybe not your parents.
But your friends.
Your friends ever tell you that yet?
Yeah, man, like you and your friends have an argument.
Mm-hmm.
They maybe say, me thumping on your jawbone.
Right, and so they're referring to, as a Jamaican, we're referring to your jaw.
Your jaw, or some other person may say cheek.
But your cheek and your jaw is the same thing? Your jaw is like, not really.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the same thing.
The jaw is like where, here, the bottom here is the ear of your... Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, we were distracted just now by a guy
doing a
cartwheel or something like that. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So so your jaw corner is more like your jaw is when here the top part of your mouth here, so meet your bottom part. This is the jaw.
So where's the cheek?
I think the cheek is like here, out here, so. Anyway, whatever. Y'all know we ain't no science people. But yeah, you get what we're talking about, right? So we call it jaw corner in here, so side of your mouth.
Jaw corner.
Jaw corner. Yeah. And you know, if young people have something and you gotta talk one right hand in your jaw corner, that's violent, but you know, that's the kind of stuff a Jamaican would say. Sometimes they literally don't mean that, you know, it's not to be taken literally, right, at all times, but it is said, right? Yeah. Another big one. I mean, and you know the funny thing about this girl, these are things that we say on a regular basis. These words that we are resuming with regular programming because Gavin here caused the camera to fall. Okay? Alright.
Okay.
So we were talking about the cup of the knee.
The knee cup.
The knee cup.
The knee cup. Yeah. Hey. Like when you were playing cricket, I like your bat, the cart ball and the ball hit in your knee. You say, boy, I get a licking on my knee cup. You say, yeah, knee cup lick. Alright, so if you like kick football, and if you kick football and then like somebody go bum and kick you in your knee, yo man, you just kick me on my knee cup. Kick me on my knee cup. The knee cup. Can you imagine? I think it's actually kneecap. Yeah. But oh man, you smart. Yeah. What is a kneecap, right? Kneecap. It's a kneecap. Oh yeah. Hey, we don't use the words that is the actual word. We use the word that sound like it makes sense to us, a lot of us as Jamaicans. You think so? Yeah. Somebody said kneecap. That's why I said I can't be bothered for saying the whole kneecap business. Kneecap sound better. So I will use kneecap. You know, I'm not sure because I think so. You think so? Because we would probably have to do some kind of trace. Like there's a corner named Red's Gathering. And Jamaicans call it Red Gathering. Like that's Red's Gathering. So we can do a feature? A feature on that one. Some names of some places that Jamaicans mispronounce. Yeah, that's a good idea. But anyhow, alright. Cubitul. I don't know that one. I don't know cubitul. No, I think I've heard my granny with it once. But based on what where is it? That not sound right. Cubitul. Like that. Why? So it is the depression found at the nape of the neck. Oh, but me never see. It's a little sink. It's a little sink.
the nape of the neck,
cubitual.
the cubitual.
Right. Well, if you are familiar with that term, please put that one in the comment section.
Or,
Just let us know who you heard it from, or you heard of that one.
all right, and then oh my gosh, this is a popular one here in Jamaica. This pronunciation, this word better yet, and it's like whole heap of people probably think it's a correct word.
What?
Navel.
Navel. Yeah, navel. Navel. That's where you're.
What's the correct word?
Navel.
Navel. So Jamaicans substitute the V, sorry.
The V for B.
For a B.
Yeah.
Right. So we say navel.
Navel string. Yeah, navel string.
Yeah, we say navel. No, we say navel different. And then we have the navel string.
Yeah.
And when we're talking about the navel string, what we're talking about?
Where you're connected, the umbilical cord.
Where it was once attached.
Yeah.
That's what they call
You're
the
still
navel.
attached?
Do you? Yeah. Yes. So the next one is, guys, heel back.
Heel back.
So Jamaicans always talk about heel back.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you're in an argument with people, and probably if you have, people have different sizes when it comes on to like your feet, and also to
and no one has control over the size of
your heels. No, Jamaicans, they would say, man, go on there, man, is your heel back big?
Heel back big.
Or
heel back scaly.
Heel back can't scaly, Gav.
What do you mean? It needs to be what do you call it?
Scrubbed,
yes.
So is your heel
soaked in some
salt water and whatnot?
some baking soda.
Not salt.
Baking
Epsom
soda.
salt.
Epsom
That's what I
salt,
mean.
whatever. And properly scrubbed down to size.
So you say no, but even if you scrub it, it won't come to size, but whatever.
Yeah.
It's like
it won't be so obvious.
no, but you can't scrub your heel down to size, girl. Once you get a heel, and if it's fat, your heel, the back.
Okay.
If your heel is fat, how is it that you're gonna scrub your heel?
Alright, so I guess when it is maybe cracky, it is more obvious. But when it is clean and nice, it may be big but not so obvious.
Okay.
Yeah.
But anyway, you know what? So the heel is that little round part at the end or the back of your foot.
Back of your foot.
Right.
So what's the correct term for that though?
Heel.
Eel.
Right. And heel.
Heel. So
heel refers to back, yeah. Heel refers to back. So it's kind of redundant.
Yeah.
To say
heel back.
Heel back.
So maybe we should say foot back.
No, they when I say foot back.
Foot bottom back.
No.
Foot bottom back.
That's too much. But guys, I know you Jamaicans out there, I know you're still calling these things like heel back and foot back, neck back, and hand miggle, and all these things. We know that.
And the you know which other one? The ear. Well, we can do a part 2 to this one, like the ear. So we and Jamaicans say ears hole. Not ears hole, but ears hole.
Or better yet, not just ear. EAR, not just ear. They just say, my ears will scratch me, and so they put a HAZE like here.
Ears hole.
Yeah. Oh my gosh! But you know what? Jamaicans are extremely funny, creative.
We're very creative.
I mean, diverse.
No, not so diverse. Yeah, we are diverse. We are diverse.
All right. So, guys, we hope you had fun. We hope you were able to relate to us. And if you're still watching this video, thank you so much for tuning in to us. Hit that subscribe button, share, leave us a comment, and
we are
out.